clicking on this video to learn more about medical assisting. Right now, we are at Ohio Valley College of Technology inside the Medical Assisting Lab. Hi, my name is Monica Allison and I'm an admissions advisor at OVCT. Today I'm going to tell you about what is a medical assistant, who would make a good medical assistant, and the type of training you need to complete in order to become a medical assistant. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to take a wild guess and say at least one time in your life you've been to the doctor's office. Am I right? Let's talk about what is a medical assistant. So, you go to the doctor's, you're sitting there, you're waiting in the lobby, and there's that healthcare worker that comes out and calls you by name. You follow them back, maybe down a hallway into a lab, and they take your vitals. You know, your vital signs are things like your height, your weight, your blood pressure, your pulse. They then take you into an examination room and start asking you questions, getting your medical history, asking why you're there to see the doctor today, maybe talk about your pain levels and your symptoms. Before they leave the room, they'll tell you that the doctor will see you shortly. So who was that person? Who was that person that got your vitals and your patient history? That is the medical assistant. A lot of times people get a medical assistant and a registered nurse confused. Majority of medical assistants work in doctor's offices. However, they can work for hospitals, clinics, specialties. They can even work for insurance agencies. There's a lot of areas where medical assistants work. But again, the majority of them work in small doctor's offices. Medical assistants are trained to do many types of clinical skills. I gave you some ideas about vitals, but there's other things that a medical assistant performs. For example, injections. You're probably watching this video and wondering why I have this right here. Well, medical assistants perform injections, and there's many places on our body we get shots. So it's not always just the arm, or if you're getting a TB, you know, your forearm. Sometimes we get it in our gluteus maximus. So this here is a learning tool for our students here at OVCT to practice injections on the gluteus maximus. Other types of injection tools we use at OVCT are these right here. These are more injection pads. Medical assistants are also trained to do phlebotomy, or also known as phlebotomist. So here is a way for students to practice phlebotomy on a fake arm before they start practicing on one another. There's many skills a medical assistant has. My best advice for you is to do some sort of job shadowing or actually visit a college like Ohio Valley College of Technology, sit in a class and get a first-hand look of what a medical assistant is. So, who would make a good medical assistant? Well, think about the career field. You're going to be working with people, so you need to have good people skills. However, your patients might be babies, infants, or they could be geriatric patients, which are senior citizens. So you're going to be working with a very large age group. So communication skills is another very important thing you need to have if you want to be a good medical assistant. I mentioned earlier that as a medical assistant, you're going to be doing phlebotomy and injections. So needles is usually a big concern for those going into the healthcare field. What can you be doing right now as a high school student? Well, that's easy. The first thing is start taking science classes. Ones like anatomy, biology, chemistry. Those type of science courses will help you in any healthcare career field. Another thing you can start doing right now, because it's not too soon, is start on scholarships. Meet with your school counselor, see which ones are available. If you know what college you're going to, like OVCT, talk to your admissions advisor or financial aid officer to learn about their scholarships. This is free money you don't have to pay back, and it helps so much with your career training. These are some things you can be doing right now as a high school student. How do you become a medical assistant? Well, you need some form of formal training. Here at Ohio Valley College of Technology, we train students in as little as 18 months to earn their associate's degree to become a medical assistant. One of the really important things about working in healthcare is also being certified. So we make sure before our students graduate, they sit for their career certification to become a certified clinical medical assistant. Our student success is very important to us. So class sizes are small. We really focus on hands-on training, as you can see here, and classes are Monday through Thursday, which means our students get 3-day weekends. Another important thing we do here at Ohio Valley College of Technology is an externship. Many students in many career fields have to complete some form of internship or externship. An externship is near the end of your training. So once you learn all these skills in our medical assisting lab, our medical assisting director, Mrs. Scott, will place you in an externship. You'll be beside a real medical assistant and a doctor working with real patients, getting real skills before you graduate. This helps with your career success. So if you want to learn more about OVCT, the very first step is meeting with me. My contact information is below. You can call, text, email, and schedule a campus visit. I will show you our campus and talk more about medical assisting with you and your family. Hey, before I forget, OVCT offers a 3-day nursing camp in the summer. Might be something you want to consider if you're thinking about medical assisting, nursing, or any type of healthcare related career field. 3 days. To learn more about it, click on the link below, and I hope to see you there. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you really enjoyed learning more about medical assisting.